Hi everybody, this is Valentina and I'm very happy you clicked on my video. So as of now I've just done my gardening after the shopping session, the first one after the coronavirus outbreak. So we were now able to go shopping, and that's what I did as a first thing I did when I was going out, when I could go out freely. So I'll show you a few things that I bought, and I hope you will like the site. So the first thing I bought, I'll show you from the least appealing to the holy plants that I bought. So this was the first one. I bought the pot separately. You see, at the bottom it doesn't have a hole. Let's see if my father can make a hole under the pot, otherwise I'll need to be hyper careful with this. So after the gardening I also separated some kids, some kids from the mother, and this is a cutting that got broken, I think, while it had been shipped and everything from one nursery to the other and then back home. This is already dry, so the cut is already dry, so it's basically ready to be stuck here, and if I'm very lucky then I'll have to have a new plant also from this one. So most probably I'm going to have other, basically, well, two are okay, they already have the roots, and this one is an additional plant that I get from here. This is, you see, this got broken. Then what's next? This one, same story with the hole. I'll try to have it, I know I shouldn't repot it too many times, but I don't know, if I see that they suffer even a bit, then I'll have the hole made also on this one. Here, and then last two that I bought, and you must agree with me that they are really, really, really gorgeous. So I don't know which one to show you first. Let's start with this one. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. I find it really unbelievable. Really, really, really unbelievable. This pot is not the original pot. It doesn't have a hole. Same thing. I'll have it pierced. This, I'm sure it can get the hole. The pot, the original pot is this one. I just used this one as a cover. So, and I'll tell you more. Here, where is it? Plant is going to have another baby plant which is growing beside her. So I just find it amazing, and I'm so happy about it. I found it and I bought it. And last thing for least, I'm saving the best for last, the Anthurium Clarinervium. Look at the size of the leaves. They are like big as my hand, and I'm so very happy. They are a bit damaged here, but I really can't complain. It's so, so, so beautiful. So I'm so happy. And same here, I put it inside a different pot. This is just a cover to make it look nicer, and that is it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to study. I'm going to study about all these plants to make sure that not only I know the name, not only I know the surname, not only I know where they usually live in nature, I'm going to know everything about the plant. And in the next videos I'm going to share my knowledge with you about these plants. If you're curious to know about these crazy creatures, here. I have enlarged the family. Yeah, please let me know. I would be very, very happy if you gave me a comment and if you told me which one you would love to get to know first, because I'm going to research anyway about all of them, but please comment below which one you would love to know more about. I'll do all the research for you. I'm going to make it very simple, so I'm going to make sure that if you have one of these plants, you will be able to take care of them the best way possible. I'm going to tell you about the humidity, the amount of light that they need, the amount of water. I'm going to check out every single thing, and I will get back to you plant one by one. Ideally once a week I'm going to give you an update, even more if I'm able to. So yeah, to receive updates on the new videos, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you also press the bell button to receive all the notifications. Why? So you will know when I have uploaded a new video about plants. What else? I'm just going back home inside, and I'm going to study a lot for these beautiful leafy soils. I wish you a very nice day, and if you like the video, you find it useful, maybe not useful, but maybe interesting, you like the colors, press the like button. Ciao!